can create a PIP sandwich to help you remember the steps. Some students get lost when they're trying to do the formulas for amortization, and this is another method that you can use to help keep all of your numbers together and maybe have a nice flow that you don't forget or leave a number out. So the three numbers that we need to know is the loan amount, your interest rate, and your payments. So what we recommend you do is you make two columns, one for month 1 and another for month 2, and then you want 5 rows underneath for your balance, payment, interest, principal, and then your balance again. Now that's called a PIP sandwich because we have bread on top and on the bottom. That's our B's, Bravo, for balance. And then inside the sandwich is PIP, payment, interest, and then principal. So bread, payment, interest, principal, bread. Now the way I have begun to do this is I will take the interest and I'll place it in the top left corner, kind of in the little offset square between balance and month, just so I have it in the columns. And it's 4.5% interest. Now you still have to follow the same math formulas. This is just another way to arrange the numbers so you don't lose your place. So our starting balance is $275,000. We can go ahead and fill that in, and we know what our payment is. It never changes, so I'm going to highlight it in green like the interest for $1,393.38. Now we have to find the interest. Now to do so, we take our loan, multiply it by the interest rate, and that tells us our yearly interest, just like before. So if you multiply 275 by 0.045, that gives us $12,375 for the yearly interest. Yearly does us no good, so divide it by 12, and that gives us $1,031.25. So now that we know what the monthly interest is, you can go ahead and put it down here in your column. Now we have interest under the payment. So just subtract the interest from your payment, and that left over is your principal, which in this case is $362.13. So we can put that in our principal spot for month 1. And then, as we did before, to get the ending balance, we'll take the principal amount, subtract it from the loan, which our loan was $275. We're going to subtract $362.13 from it and get $274,637.86. And that's our ending balance. And now we've completed month 1's sandwich. And then for month 2, we're going to start with our top piece of bread, our balance, which our balance now at the end of month 1 is the same for the beginning of month 2. And then just rinse and repeat. Our payment didn't change, so it's going to be $1,393.38 once again. But now the interest is going to be different because we have a new balance. So for month 2, we're going to take the new loan balance of $274,637.87, multiply that by the 4.5% interest to get $12,358.70. Then, because that's our yearly amount of interest, we're going to divide it by 12 to get the monthly. And then we can place that inside our month 2 interest cell. Now that we know what the interest is, we can subtract it from the payment, which will give us $363.49. So just place that in month 2's principal column, and really that's the end of the equation. But if you want to fill in your ending balance and complete the sandwich, you can just go ahead and subtract the $363.49 from your loan balance to see that at the end of month 2, you'll have $274,637.87 that you owe.